Here we come to the elevator at Pearson Cafeteria at North Carolina Central University in Durham, North Carolina. This is an Otis Series 5. Gosh, how many Otises are here? It's like literally almost like Southern Methodist University all over again. Anyways, there's music out here, so I'm gonna try again quick. It's an Otis Series 5 too. All right, let's go into the lobby. The elevator was installed in 2009. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and watch it close. All right, there it goes. And that's it.